anything stuck in here, but if I move it backwards and forwards, there is a little bit of movement, and let's see the back. Yeah, that sounds really noisy. We're gonna have to take this apart and see what's actually wrong with it. So, hear that? Yeah, that really worries me. And all the nicks here and on the blades. Okay, that is really loud. Well, looks like we're gonna have to take this apart.